As a Muslim in our religion, there is a provision in our religion that says citizens must listen and respect leaders. That is how our children are brought up. Leaders, whether they're elders, religious leaders, political leaders, our mothers, is an Islamic provision. And I think as the people of Kenya, we must have a discussion as a moral issue. Why is it that our children are insulting leaders? Our children are drawing and putting leaders in coffins, celebrating when leaders they say leaders have died. And again now we are transporting the same culture to our neighboring countries.